As the 4th of July fast approaches us, which is England's new Independence Day as far as camping goes, all the campsites in England will be opening up soon, and they're taking bookings now. And one of our favourite places, which is here, is already fully booked till I think October, end of October. So that's the end of that. Plus the roads will be packed anyway. So I thought we'd fix up the blinds. We've done quite a few jobs now as we've been in lockdown in the garden. Now these blinds, the only thing that's wrong with them is there's too many slats at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is reduce the weight of the slats on the bottom, just to make it a bit easier, a bit lighter, easier to use. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And why not? I might have a beer as well. Of course we're going to be inspected all the way by Kira, so there won't be any mistakes. So let me start by taking them off. As you can see, there's a lot at the bottom that we don't need. So we don't need that much. I won't cut them all off because we all need some spare in case of any wild parties that we may have, and you never know. But yes, let's trim it. Let me show you how to trim it. So the first thing we're going to do, get out a marker. That's how much of the blind we want. So then that means that the rest is redundant. So if I put a mark here, the method that I have come up with for removing these slats, because I was cutting them at first, is if I go like this, grab a handful. I hope you're watching this carefully. It looks a bit destructive, but there you go, and we're off. Take that one out. Off. I won't take you through the whole process of it all, but that's basically how you do it quickly. And that's the end of that. Now all we're left with now, what we call, well, I call them ladders, and we'll be cutting just above there. So remove him, because we know that's our mark. Now, here's the trick. Give it a bit of length because we have to tuck this in, so we're going to give it, say, 4 runs. Cut down here. That's your ladder gone. Under the runner at the bottom, twist them, and they tuck into a nice little neat hole. And as I say, we don't cut the middle cord. Can everybody see that? We don't cut the middle one. So here's what we're left with. That's the end one, the middle one, and the other end cut, what we call cut ladders. They're all ready to go. And this cord here just pulls up neatly through these. If I can, these are pulled together, you'll see them coming up. There you go, and they're just pulling up nice and neat. Don't pull them up too far. And basically what happens is, we cut this ladder off here. This one's a bit more awkward to cut off, it's a bit messy, but it's all tangled with the centre cord, but we've just got to make sure we don't cut the centre cord. Cut that off, cut that one off, and then underneath here, here's the trick. These just pull out, and then you tie this round there loosely, twist it, and then tuck him into there. Just pops out. Take the rubbish out. Do the same on this side. Cut you off. As I say, you can pull these out with your fingers if you're brave. All I do now, and tie them off and push the excess in. Squeeze them into place. Jobs are good. And as you can see, we've got them in now, all nice and neat. I'll just show you underneath. Look at that, all the way across. We've taken out a lot of redundant slats in here. We've got some for spare. As you can see, they're still gathered at the bottom. There's a few there in case, as I say, the wild party ever happens. But as you can see now, that's looking a lot neater. Let me turn them the right way. I have to tidy up the mess. I mean, look at that. All that was unnecessary. So I have to do the rest of them now to make them work for when we go camping. It's going to be brilliant if we ever do get away. That one's done. I've done this one just, as you have seen. I have to do that one over there. There's so much of it. Oh, that lot's got to go. And then over here, oh, that's nice. I like that. Who made that? Very good. That's all the blinds done now. I must say we took quite a few slats off them. But that's okay, that's how they come. And a universal size, which is, God knows, I can't imagine any windows that would need that many slats on, unless you was in a church, maybe. But look at the weight reduction we've made in the camper. Flipping heck. So, got all my stuff ready now. Better get cleaning.